At this point in the stage of my life, it's a stress releaser. You know, I just can kick back, have me time. I can do it whenever I want. I have my own little craft room. I get away from it all, and it's just total stress reliever. And I love, you know, finishing something and having a final product, and it's fun. But through the years, it's run the gamut of social time to just, you know, cost-saving measures to make gifts instead of having to go out and buy them. It's run the gamut, but right now, for the most part, it's stress relief, really, and social, the big social aspects. Everybody's an artist. Everybody is an artist. There's so many tools out there to make it so easy for anybody to succeed doing art. There's no reason. You don't have to have it in your family. It doesn't have to be in your blood. If it's something you see, you like, you enjoy, you do it.